Hey y'all, good to see you as always here on the Mr. Dig channel. Walking down the back road, going to jump on the Cat Mini X, but I'm walking down the back road following these tracks because last night some sorry joker decided he was gonna come in and steal an old four-wheeler. The thing don't even run no more. It's a 1986 Kawasaki that Dad had up at the shed, but they come prepared, parked evidently down here close to the end of my driveway, and then hoofed it 3/4 of a mile up to Dad's place, brought the snips, cut the barbed wire fence in 2 places, wiggled the stupid four-wheeler out from where it was and pushed it. One person, I don't know how in the world they did it. They must have been, I don't know, high on crack or either just really strong, but anyway, pushed the damn thing 3/4 of a mile all the way back down here, loaded it up and took off. Man, you just can't have anything anymore that ain't bolted down. Hell, even if it's bolted down, they'll still steal it. But it's getting to be robbing season and they're getting closer to Christmas. So if y'all got anything that isn't bolted down, you better bolt it down. Anyway, that's my rant for this morning. We're down here at the area where we took the old Komatsu D45 the other day and cleaned up this wooded area. We'll walk over here and take a look at where we're gonna try to get the Cat Mini X in, see if we can't finish cleaning this place up. So the Mini X does really good at coming in and cleaning up and leaving, like I wanna leave that holly tree right there. But anyway, we're just gonna take the bucket and we'll scratch all through here, get this little bit of area cleaned up. And then over here, it's really growed up. And I don't think I'm gonna save anything. I don't see any plants that are worth saving up in here. We'll grab that old log, get it out of the way, and just keep getting everything, try to make it look like what we've got out here, because this looks amazing. So let's go over here and jump on the little Cat. I got my Watto keys right here. If you're an equipment operator, I found this on eBay. It's like 30 keys, it's about 60 something bucks, but it's got a key to just about every damn make and model of equipment. I lose keys really bad, but with this giant key ring right here, it's kind of hard to lose it. And today we're gonna be running the Cat 304 E2. I rent this little machine out to some guys with Amen Corner Ponds. He's got a YouTube channel trying to start up, but they do a lot of water features for folks in their yard. And so I get to use it myself, but we also rent it out to them to go put in koi ponds and all kinds of beautiful water features. And you can't miss the Cat key. It's the only one that's got gold on it. That was dumb, Ryan. That's got to be up in order for her to start. There she goes. And the guys with Amen Corner Ponds was nice enough to return her almost full of fuel, so we're good to go there. This doesn't have DEF on it because it's low enough horsepower, or it doesn't require it, so we ain't got to worry about that. But I'm gonna turn on a little AC because even though we're in fall time, it's like 80 degrees this afternoon. We got a bunch of rain coming in this weekend. It's supposed to be like high 50 and just rain all weekend. Most all the equipment we got is huge, but I do love the fact of having this little push blade on this Mini. Makes it really easy to clean up. You know, you can't do a lot of pushing with it because it's a smaller machine, but man, you can, after you get done with the bucket doing whatever work you're doing, you drop that little blade, you can do a lot. This is a very versatile little machine is what I'm trying to say. All right, she's warmed up enough, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the auto idle, because I don't like it when it idles down if you just don't touch the controls for 2 seconds. So I got that turned off. Now it'll stay at whatever idle speed we set it at, and we are good to go as soon as I figure out how to hold the GoPro and work the joysticks at the same time. Get her spun around here, and let's go see what we can do. Turn our travel alarm off too, and I tell you what, let's see if we can get on the other side That way we're pulling all the debris towards the woods versus towards back out here by the road, make it a little easier on ourselves. We'll go up this little clearing that we made with the bulldozer the other day. That way we could just reach right over in there, pull that stuff back out to the clearing, and then maybe we'll take the dozer and just push all the stuff over to the burn pile. Get y'all clipped right there, that way y'all can see what I see. And we've got a great turn radius on this machine, so we don't have to worry about what's behind us too much. Let's see if we can grab this old vine climbing up this pine tree right here and rip it down. Get another bite on it. That thing goes about 30 feet up into this big old pine tree. Oh, it's slipping. There we go. Open up, grab that. Go ahead and start us a debris pile. See, I think we can spin back around this way without hitting anything. Yep, we'll just start us a pile right about there. Get my thumb back in place. And let's see, there's the holly tree that I wanted to save right there. Let's just go in here, grab that little pine and all that underbrush, start cleaning it up. We can use our thumb, grab the wad of pine straw and all the crap that we've scratched up, add it to our pile. A thumb on an excavator is about one of the nicest things you can have, man, because it really increases the amount of work that you can do or the things that you can do. It just really increases the versatility of the machine itself. And if you can swing it, go ahead and get the hydraulic thumb and not the stationary one. The stationary one will work with like big trees and stuff, but man, that hydraulic, that's the cat's meow right there. Dadgummit. Accidentally, as I was moving, hit the one tree I wanted to save. I just skinned it all up. We ain't getting out too good of a start, are we, guys? Dadgummit. Get on my own nerves. I didn't get it too bad. Just skin it up a little bit. Hopefully it'll be all right. The one damn thing I wanted to leave down here, and I hit it within 10 seconds of the job. See if we can clean up around this pine tree a little bit without grabbing any of its big old roots and damaging it. That's all I'm gonna do is take them teeth and stick them in the ground and just use it like a rake, clear up all this undergrowth, and I think it'll look a whole lot more better. Don't hit the holly tree, Ryan. Don't hit the holly tree. Jeez, pisses me off. If I hadn't said anything about that damn tree, I probably wouldn't have hit it or even come close to it, but no, I had to talk about it. I got this vine wrapped around my tracks. I try to pinch it with the thumb, get it off my machine, and it's going to be complicated. You can tell it's Friday, y'all. Come on. Still in the ground, that's why. Stupid. Got it out that time. See if we can grab these others too without damaging that pine tree. Well, we broke them loose. They'll die now, at least. Grab this big old wad of mess. And while we're right here, might as well grab this big old wad of mess too. This is probably the most satisfying thing of doing a job like this, just reaching in there when you got a big old mass of vines and being able just to rip them out without having to get up in there with a chainsaw and do it by hand. Makes it a whole lot easier, that's for damn sure. Let's see if we can grab this whole wad. This must be some old muscadine vine and probably some Carolina jasmine. And boy, it's tough. It's making the machine moan a little bit. Try not to get it too wrapped up around myself where we can't get it out. And try not to skin up any pine trees so Milton Williams, aka my father, doesn't have anything to fuss about, because that is his biggest pet peeve, is scratching trees when you're in here clearing. So we're going to try to just take our time, not hit any more trees. And I get sidetracked really easy too, if y'all can't tell. I'm not even supposed to be clearing over here yet, but it looks so damn intriguing, that big old wad of stuff, man. It just makes it so easy to get it cleaned up so quick. I just couldn't help but sticking my bucket in there. See if we can break this old tree, get it turned so we can pick it up. And I guess too, if I had any sense at all, y'all, we would turn around and use our push blade to take our waste pile, and we could push it on down the road with us. I think let's do that. Do us a little hop turn here. Now that makes more sense right there. Now we can push our pile as we go. Man, the briars down here are something else. Some of them got about an inch caliper on them, and they will eat you alive. Come on, girl, quit rocking. Let's go see what I keep digging up trash-wise over here. As I said in past videos, my family was evidently in the landfilling business before there was even any landfills that existed. They've been buried all kinds of crap around here. Good gracious. Golly, milk jugs. All kinds of stuff. Goodness. Well, there's proof that egg cartons don't biodegrade too quick. Let's see what they was drinking back in the day. Some old PBR. Well, they was good folks, obviously, but this is just what they did back in the day, man. All kinds of old bottles. We'll have to dig through this later when we have time, maybe after it rains, and see what in the world. What is this? Some old decorative icing. A little bit of everything, but I tell y'all one thing, I kind of forgot something today, very important. And that's the fact that I gotta go pick my kid up in about 15 minutes. So sorry for the short video, but I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Hit that like and subscribe down there for me. Got all kinds of cool stuff planned up at the landfill for y'all coming up here soon. So we'll see you on the next video.